His helicopter.
What's going on, guys? Today we have another video working on the drift car. We're putting the second set of calipers on. Today's video is sponsored by Monster Energy, also Milwaukee.
Heck yeah.
We're just sponsored by everybody.
Yeah, we got the sponsors for all. Wow, it definitely sounds better than it did.
Boy, almost stalled it.
I didn't.
See how it feels when we brake again. Try brake a little bit.
Yeah, we'll get on it straight.
It feels a bit bouncy. Bruh. That's an ABS delete.
Oh, is that just the rears locked up? Fucking shut up back there.
That was the fucking... There's no ABS now, so...
Oh, it'll just lock up.
Yeah. Guys, we got it jacked up, and at the moment we are running lines for the hydraulic handbrake. Wheels off so we can put the calipers on.
Get out of my ass.
So, what I was talking about earlier is these bushings on the bottom of the strut. You can see how it's sort of slid out to one side. So I think that's... Holy, I think that bit's loose. And when we brake and that, it's going clunk clunk. This is the... Liam's drilled some holes for the hydraulic handbrake, which is gonna run. It runs through the boot out here, and it's gonna run to the reservoir. Alright guys, second trip to Bunnings. Second trip to Bunnings today because...
We need washers, bro. We need some washers.
Low genuinely.
Holy moly, sausages on sizzle.
Alright guys, mission successful.
Hey.
When?
I don't know, you tell me.
That tastes like sugar, not swirl.
Can you grab me the 19mm ratcheting spanner?
I'm filming, bro.
Grab me it. So now I'm just tightening up these bolts type stuff.
Yo! What we have here is a caliper. Is this the right size? Nope. And we've got the... Got the GK Tech lines. They go here. Why do they need grease? They go in.
Just grease them, bro. I'm not gonna tell you. I'll fucking.
Grease your fucking asshole.
Do as you're told. Or I'll
grease
fucking beat you off.
Fuck up before I grease your asshole and then eat it like a fucking gorilla.
Fucking.
Did I find the hole?
Well. One. And then, as you can see, where the mounting hole is, it's not rubbing up on the caliper. So that's what we want. On the rotor, sorry.
The T-piece hooked up to second set of calipers. And now we just need to bleed them. Yeah.
Holding.
Yep.
Pumping. Holding.
Yep. Hold. Yep.
Pumping.
It's dark already, but we have... Show us the handbrake, Liam. Sheesh. It might be a little soft for my liking, but anyway. Alright, show us how it works.
Spinning.
Yep. Nice.
We actually put the calipers on the wrong orientation, so we put the left on right, vice versa. And we could not bleed the calipers properly. We did it about 15 times, and it never gained full pressure how it should have. I found out when I went to Jason's house after this day, and yeah, figured it out. You'll see when we try to drift, it doesn't work very well, but it's sorted now, and she's all good.
Actually just waiting for these cars to fuck off so we can drift.